from brokerages and REC.
We got market open coming up, Gaurav. Thank you for that. First rates on indices, and we'll get to stocks. 24,968 on the Nifty. The Nifty Bank is absolutely flat. Small cap index is down 1%. And I think you've got the mid cap index, which is going to come up on your screen as well. So it is a lower start. I mean, clean straight away 0.5% odd kind of cuts which are showing up. 840 lower and advances 650 out of the gates, but I think we'll have to give it some time to figure out where we go. But I think we got some big moves already starting to show up, which we should get to quickly. Heat map on your screen, it's bulk of it, at least on the Nifty, is all down. SBI Life, of course, reacting to numbers, and numbers were pretty good. Otherwise, I mean, it's almost 45 stocks which are lower. IEX stock flashing at the bottom of the screen. Surabhi.
Yeah, absolutely. We're starting right at the lower end of the range because in this month and a half long consolidation, we have broken below 24,900 as well, but then we bounced back. So let's see. We're at the lows of the range as we speak. Bajaj Finance is your stock of the morning, down 5.5% in the asset quality issues and commentary that Gaurav just highlighted. Shriram Finance is down about 2.5%. Bajaj FinServ, remember this morning, and that's what I was pointing out, that IT has not worked. The money's been gravitating towards financials so far this week. But now this is a new issue that seems to be showing up. Jio Finance is slightly lower as well. So some of the large financial names are on the back foot. Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, a little bit of cool off here. Banks are relatively better than the NBFC plays, at least as of now. HDFC Bank is still down, but down about 0.5%. But overall financials are weak. There's Infosys, which is lower. There's Reliance, which is lower. Basically, nothing is firing. No engine firing for the market. Lever is lower. So FMCG, IT, banks, you don't have too many trades on the upside. Just very quickly talking about the gainers as SBI Life post numbers. ICICI Bank is managing a little bit of green. And there's BEL, it's 120 down straight away, weak opening.
Well, that's right. But there are a few winners, Surabhi. IEX has bounced back. It's bounced back in style from yesterday's low. In fact, it's up 10%. But all eyes will be on whether or not they can get a stay. These numbers look good, but unfortunately, the court order came ahead of that. So that's why, that stock was down yesterday. It's bounced back a little bit today. Tatva and Chintan, I think that came out with its numbers, if I'm not mistaken. So that's bounced back in trade today. Big up move is what we're seeing on that one. So it's reacting positively. Trident is the other one that's reacting positively to its numbers that it reported yesterday. So that stock is well up and about as we speak. Big move is what we're seeing on that name. Fedfina, Trident, not Trent. Let's pull up Trident. Fedfina, that's the other one that I'm looking at. That as well has opened up well in the green. So big up move is what we're seeing on that name. Metro Brands, potentially there could be some business opportunity coming in from, if in case this US, the India-UK FTA that is signed. So maybe another opportunity for them. That's the way the street is reading it at least. So that's why that one, in fact, is up close to around 5%. Volumes yet to pick up. And some tubes, steel tubes, that's a new listed entity. We'll have the management at around 10:30 today. That one as well is up close to around 4%. On the flip side, Hexaware is selling off. You have Tanla Platforms as well, that's down close to around 4.5%. So all those names reacting negatively. The market's now down 130 points. Prashant.
Which basically means that the low that we saw recently perhaps comes into contention. And we'll have to kind of see if that happens. The low was 24,882. So 24, we're at about 24,951. The low was referring to was made on the 21st of this month. I mean, just a few days back. But it's a 130-odd point cut right now once again. IEX, of course, is the big mover. Maybe just look at Coforge as well. Is there more pressure or has it stabilized? Because it's like a one-way disaster. It's up about $10, so 16.90 or so on Coforge. Harish Krishnan is